Ever wondered what architects and engineers mean when they throw around terms like plan or section or similar other terms? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we are presenting the meanings behind some commonly used architectural jargon in plain, easy to understand language. So, let us start exploring the definition of some key architectural terms. Site plan. A site plan is a 2D drawing that typically shows buildings, roads, sidewalks and paths/trails, parking, drainage facilities, etc., including topography and landscaping. Site plans are often prepared by design consultants who are either licensed architects, engineers, landscape architects, or land surveyors. Floor plan. A floor plan is a technical drawing to scale of a building which shows a view from above. Technically, it is a horizontal section cut through a building, at a certain height above the floor level. It shows the arrangement of rooms, walls, windows, door openings, and other features at that level. Objects above the plan level can be shown as dashed lines.
Elevation. Elevation is a 2D drawing that shows the exterior view of a building's front, back, and sides.
Each elevation is characterized with reference to the compass direction it faces. For example, looking toward the south, you would be seeing the northern elevation of building.
The purpose of an elevation drawing is to show the finished appearance of a given side of the house and furnish vertical height dimensions. Section drawing. It is a 2D representation drawing of a vertical cut through a building or an area of a building to show interior details. The purpose of a section is to show, graphically, the main volumes of the building and the main building material components. The standard conventions and symbols for section drawings, such as the section line, the cutting plane, the direction arrow, and the section identifier, help to locate and orient the section drawing in relation to the plan and the elevation. Floor area ratio, FAR. Floor area ratio, FAR, means the sum of total covered areas of all floors of a buildings on a plot land divided by the total area of that plot land. FAR is sometimes called floor space ratio, FSR, floor space index, FSI, site ratio or plot ratio. The difference between FAR and FSI is that the first is a ratio, while the latter is an index. For example, if plot area is 100 square feet and FAR is 200%, then a building with maximum covered area of all floors, of 200 square feet can be constructed. Building coverage ratio, BCR. Building coverage ratio is the ratio of the building area to the plot land area on which it is built. Building coverage ratio measures building footprint on the plot. BCR is sometimes called ground coverage, plot coverage, or lot coverage. BCR is imposed for securing an open space on the land. Depending on the land use category, it is usually within 30% to 80%. For example, if plot area is 1000 square feet and BCR is 50%, then a building with the maximum building area of 500 square feet can be constructed.
Bedroom. A bedroom is a room in a residential building designed for sleeping. It typically includes space for a bed, dressing, and clothing. It may also have other functional areas. A house usually consists of 3 types of bedrooms: the master bedroom, the children's bedroom, and the guest bedroom. The master bedroom is also referred to as a primary bedroom and is meant for adults living in the house. Other bedrooms can be used by children, guests, visitors, etc. Master bedroom. The term master bedroom refers to the biggest bedroom styles and is more luxuriously decorated than other bedrooms. It is sometimes referred to as the primary bedroom and is often associated with the homeowners. It can accommodate multiple luxury furniture items such as a king bed, large wardrobe, desk or home office, and occasionally even a small sitting area. It may have an attached bathroom and walk-in closet. Ensuite. The literal definition is so as to form a suite. Ensuite typically refers to a bedroom with a bathroom attached to it. Typically referring to bathrooms, this term refers to how a bathroom adjoining a bedroom creates a suite and is often used to highlight the convenience of having a bedroom with an attached bathroom. Dining room. A dining room is a designated space within a home where people gather to eat meals together. It usually contains a dining table and chairs arranged along the sides and ends of the table. If space permits, it may also contain other pieces of furniture such as sideboards and china cabinets for storing dishes, utensils, and tableware.